Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best stud welders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best stud welders. Starting at number 5, we have the Ting Stud Welder. The best welder is one which you can easily use for as long as possible. Therefore, if you are looking for a welder that is lightweight, reliable, and durable, this may best suit you. The dent-pulling slide hammer helps you handle the welder with ease, regardless of the direction to which the welder is being held. The material used is stainless steel, preventing it from rust and color plucking. With it, you will get a dent-pulling hook that makes it easy to pluck any dent with ease. The graphite rod holder keeps the stirring rods in position during the melting of metals using gas or torches. When melting or casting them using electric furnaces, this feature protects the user from direct heat. The machine is equipped with spot welding gun switches that help in applying heat and pressure to the stud. That way, it can be easily pulled out without hitting it from the back or using excessive force. This welder can be used for different purposes, such as car bodywork and metal elastic deformation repair. It is great for direct damages like scratches, rust, dents, breakage, plastic deformation, and more. Other included tools are a single, double-sided spot welding tip, 10 wiggle wires, and 5 graphite rods. Moving on at number 4, we have the H&S Autoshot Starter Plus Stud Welder Kit. You can find a lot of stud welder brands out there, out of which Hans Autoshot is quite a popular one because of its various offerings. The H&S Autoshot 4550 Starter Plus Stud Welder is present in the 4th position in this video as it is a great overall option for most users. Just per the name, it is a complete kit that includes the stud welder along with a sturdy puller for removing dents from your car. You also get a total of 500 studs along with this welder that can use 2.2 mm and 2.6 mm studs for welding. This stud welder has a current rating of up to 1500 amps. Since Hans Autoshot is quite a popular brand of stud welders, it offers a 2-year-long warranty to the user for peace of mind. At number 3, we have the Mophorn Uni-Spotter Stud Welder. Mophorn is another popular brand of stud welders, and you should consider it if you want a complete stud welding kit that offers a lot of accessories to the user. This Mophorn Uni-Spotter 4550 stud welder is present in the 3rd position in this article as it is a great overall stud welding kit. Apart from the stud welder itself, you also get various accessories, including a heavy-duty slide hammer, pins or studs, pulling tool, and a few other things. But the best thing about it is that you get a carrying for easily and safely taking all of these things along with you. Apart from offering a wide range of accessories included in the box, this stud welder also offers pretty good performance to the user. This is primarily possible due to the reason that it is a 1600 current draw rated stud welder. It also supports 2 different stud sizes, including 2.0 mm and 2.5 mm, so that you can use either as per your needs and requirements. At number 2, we have the MotorGuard Stud Welder. If you would like a welder with unique features, this may be a good choice for you. This machine incorporates a current low heat transformer that helps to regulate your welder's temperature and ensuring it is safe enough. It is designed to withstand high-strength, steel body vehicles. It supplies plenty of power that can perform any job from different platforms. Burn-through dents are quite a problem for other welders, but for a MotorGuard JO1050, they are like any other ordinary dent that is easy to remove. The welder is manufactured in the USA, and it is said to offer excellent performance in any professional collision repair. The variety of applications includes draw pins, rivets modeling, shrinking stressed material, and much more. It features a lightweight, heavy-duty, ergonomic design and low heat transfer specifications that make it more reliable. Moreover, you get a 5-year limited warranty that ensures you are covered in case of manufacturing defects. The product comes with an entry-level kit that includes a storage carton, 500 2.0mm draw pins, a single MagnaSpot 1000 stud gun, and a slide hammer. And finally at number 1. We have the Bestauto Uni-Spotter. This stud welder is known for its durability. You can view it as a long-term investment, and it is highly reliable. It boasts a huge input and output of 110 volts and 4 volts, respectively. One of its greatest features is its impressive welding consistency and ease of use. The machine is equipped with thermal protection that performs in case the transformer temperature rises up to 95 degrees Celsius. This protects the welder from overheating or hurting the user. The manufacturer is strongly concerned with your safety as far as your welder is concerned. Long, narrow, wavy wires make it possible for you to use the welder for an extended time. This narrow dent welder weighs up to 28.5 pounds. Unlike most welders, this one can use its twisted wires to remove any dent that may be deep, long, and narrow. In its kit, there are 2.0 or 2.5 mm nails that hold a maximum current of 1600 Ah. It is versatile and can be used for various applications, including metal elastic deformation repair and car bodywork. It can also be used for direct damages like rust, scratches, dents, breakage, and plastic deformities, among others. The welder features single-point dent weld pads and welding functions that make it compatible for up to 110 volts in a single-point dent. From the reputation it has earned since its launch, this stud welder is a perfect solution for your welding activities. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.